Short general information about animals. Locusts have 900 independent muscles, which is 200 more than the number of human muscles. The fly flaps its wings 32 times per second. An elephant can smell a human from a distance of 500 meters. When a scorpion is surrounded by fire, it stings itself and then dies. Vultures can live 100 years and not die on their own, but commit suicide when contracted by disease. A horse can live without food for 20 days. A snake can sting after its head has been amputated for 30 minutes. An ostrich's eye is larger than its brain. The number of vertebrae in the neck of a giraffe is equal to the number of vertebrae in the human neck. The bee dies right after it stings something, and it does so only when it is hurt. A snail can sleep for 3 years at a time. Ducks are one of the strangest birds on Earth, and their voice has no echo, and scientists have not yet been able to figure out why. Octopus has 3 hearts in its hollow. At birth, a panda weighs only about 113 grams, which is smaller than the size of a mouse. Male koalas have 2 penises, while female koalas have 2 vaginas. The bat is the only mammal that can fly. A flamingo does not eat its food unless its head is upside down.